Assalamu Alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Fasting has numerous religious and worldly benefits. Therefore, like all months, try to keep fasting on the days, that is, 13th, 14th, and 15th dates of the moon. Because the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, always fasted these 3 days every month, not only himself, but also encouraged his companions to do so. Come on, listen to the blessed hadith on the virtue of fasting 3 days every month and let us awaken the spirit of action. Narrated Abu Huraira, my friend, the Prophet advised me to do 3 things, and I shall not leave them till I die. These are to fast 3 days every month, to offer the Duha prayer, and to offer Witr before sleeping. If a person eats or drinks anything, it must have an effect on the body. If there is a good effect, the health is good, and if there is a bad effect, the health is bad. In view of good health, the servant is sometimes prohibited from eating different things totally or for a certain period of time, and sometimes it is said to reduce the consumption of certain things. This has a good effect on the health of the person. Along with worship, fasting also has its effect on the health. Fasting is food for the soul, just as eating is food for the body. Fasting in this world gives the servant health and abundant sustenance, while in the hereafter he will get a reward. It should always be noted that any good and lawful action should be done for the pleasure of Allah. Similarly, fasting should be done with the intention of attaining piety in obeying Allah and the Messenger. In addition, medical benefits will also be obtained.